Hello, sorry about that. I was having problems with the 32-in-1, which isn't surprising considering it's a naughty knockoff. Okay, so let's get something original. This is Populous. Not great on the Game Boy, but it was a big game. Proper legitimate cartridge. It's got the Nintendo print up here and the text on the back. Anyway, so let's put this in. There we go. Got the batteries in. Let's give it a go. Yay! It works. Well, I hope that works for you. Feel free to leave any comments, just not the negative ones. Thanks, bye.